These effortlessly chic hairstyles look like luxury without the effort. 1. Sleek low ponytail. Smooth and polished with a center part, this style is perfect for oval and square faces and suits both work and weekend looks. 2. Loose textured waves. Tousled soft waves with face framing layers give an expensive, carefree vibe, great for medium to long hair. 3. Middle part straight bob. A chin-length blunt bob with a sharp center part looks ultra-modern and suits oval, heart, and long face shapes. 4. High twisted bun. A clean high bun with a subtle twist detail adds polish while keeping things relaxed, ideal for active days or quick glam. 5. Side braid with volume. A loose side braid with slight crown volume balances casual and refined, best for round and heart-shaped faces. 6. Half up half down top knot. This youthful style lifts the face subtly and is flattering on almost all face shapes with medium to long hair. 7. Curled ends on long hair. Slightly curled ends add dimension to long straight hair, an understated way to look put together. 8. Tucked behind ear waves. Soft waves tucked behind one ear with a clean side part give off effortless sophistication, perfect for date nights. 9. Polished low bun. A sleek, low bun at the nape with a clean finish adds instant elegance to any casual outfit. 10. Deep side part with volume. Adding a deep side part and root volume transforms a basic blowout into a red carpet-ready style. 11. Messy crown braid. This romantic style frames the face beautifully and works great on shoulder length or longer hair. 12. Straight hair with clip accent. Sleek hair with a minimalistic metallic clip instantly elevates the look, perfect for minimalists. 13. Loose French twist. An undone French twist with a few tendrils creates soft sophistication for mid-length to long hair. 14. Bubble ponytail. The bubble ponytail adds a trendy, luxe touch to casual wear and works well with long, thick hair. 15. Long layers with curtain bangs. Adds movement and softness to long hair, ideal for elongating round and square faces. 16. Tucked Low Chignon. This low, loosely pinned chignon feels effortless, but refined, great for formal casual hybrids. 17. Side swept curls. Soft curls swept over one shoulder offer glam without trying too hard, great for evening looks. 18. Flipped half-up twist. A loose half-up twist held with a chic clip gives easy elegance to layered haircuts. 19.